Let's see what secrets today brings. One click, and everyone's privacy is mine.
Whoa! Panda's secret photos are everywhere!
Why would someone humiliate me like this?
Maybe I should start my own gossip site. Strange. The Breach came from inside. Someone here is leaking private company data, and they will be found. They'll never find me. What? Those messages are private! Gotcha, monkey boy. No! 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 This can't be happening! Look! It's his stuff that time! Stop! Delete! Delete!
I was wrong. I just wanted to feel smarter, not cruel.
Exposing others only exposes who you truly are.
Good to have you on the right side of the screen.
No more rumors. Just real tea work.
Guess I'll use my skills for something better next time.
Trust, once broken, takes more than code to fix.
From today, small fish cannot swim in my clean waters.
But Mayor, this ocean belongs to everyone!
Orders from above, no entry.
We just want to live, not invade!
Look how peaceful without the poor clutter.
Until they notice who cleans the sand.
Mayor, please! Our homes are in there!
Swim elsewhere. The royal tide is not for peasants. The whole ocean must see this. Mayor Brutus bans life from life itself.
If he owns the ocean, we'll show him its power! People say you ban the weak.
I protect the ocean from dirt.
A big tide is coming, Mayor!
My palace is unsinkable, fool.
Let us in, it's flooding!
Rules are rules, small fry.
The tide is inside the palace!
Impossible, this water is mine.
The royal pool is gone!
Save my crown!
Save whoever you can, even the greedy!
Help me, please!
We never stopped caring for the ocean. Mayor Brutus, you are under arrest for abuse of power!
I just tried to protect my luxury. Oceans belong to all, not one.
Equality keeps the tide calm.
Fill every plate till the sea runs dry!
The sea will remember your greed, sire. He wants another feast tomorrow.
Even the ocean has limits.
Look! The ocean feeds my fun!
And drowns your people, sire.
The sea looks angry tonight.
The sea never forgets.
The fish are gone, sire! Nothing left! Then fetch food from another kingdom.
All food now belongs to the palace by royal order.
They will starve because of him.
Who dares spill water on my feast? Not who, sire. What?
The waves are warning you.
Let them watch me eat. Majesty, the sea has come for you. Close the doors now.
The sea reclaims what you wasted.
Save my palace. Save my food.
Let go, sire.
I will never lose my crown. The sea shows you your greed. No, no, stop!
The waves took their king.
The sea finally rests.
The sea spared me. Why?
True royalty feeds others first.
I finally understand.
From now we eat together.
The ocean forgives the humble. No one cooks like me. The world deserves to see my magic.
Chef, you're throwing away so much. It's still good. Good? Not for my standards. Out with it.
Perfection requires sacrifice. More like pure waste.
He's throwing food away?
I'd do anything for a bite.
I don't feed beggars. Only rich guests taste my dishes.
Sir, maybe be humble?
Humble is for amateurs.
That didn't look good.
Bah! He wouldn't know true art if it bit him. Chef, the power's out. Ugh. Not my masterpiece day.
Please, sir, any leftovers?
This is a restaurant, not a shelter. Go! They're starving, Chef. Not my problem.
Maybe tomorrow.
Ow! My back! Guess the floor finally got hungry. My oven! My precious oven!
You threw away everything. Now it's throwing you back.
Should we help him?
He was mean, but maybe yes.
Angel! Came back? I waste food and kindness. I'm sorry.
Everyone deserves a second chance.
Now this is real cooking. And real happiness.
Panda, you were supposed to clean the floor an hour ago.
All clean, boss. Sparkling. Right. Out of sight, out of my mind.
Why is it so wet here?
New cleaning technique. Shiny finish. This floor's disgusting.
And slippery. Who's in charge here?
Panda! One more mistake and I'm calling the inspector.
No need. I'll clean properly, promise.
If it looks clean, it is clean.
Sir, we might need your eyes here. The panda's up to something again.
Time for a surprise inspection. Oh no! He's here already? Quick, make it shine! Perfect. Smells like lemon, kinda.
Looks clean. Too clean.
What's this? Art installation?
Caught on camera! Boo! Boo!
Lazy cleaner. Restaurant closed for inspection. And Panda, you're not done yet. Ha! Now let's see if real cleaning feels the same as pretending.
Guess shortcuts never stay hidden.
Welcome back. The right way this time.